Drinking fluids is very important to stay alive. Water is the best fluid for our bodies, as it prevents our body from heating up. It helps to break down our food, and it also carries important fluids around the body. Go drinks are full of nutrients, low in sugar, and you can choose them more often, like milk and water. We can drink 2 to 4 servings of milk in a day, or we can drink plenty of water throughout the day to quench our thirst. Yield drinks contain more sugar. We should consume them in small amounts. In a day we can consume maximum half a cup at the age of 1 year, and 1 cup at the age of 3. We should enjoy such drinks once a day or every alternate day, taking 1 cup of flavored milk like chocolate, strawberry, or vanilla flavored milk. We can also enjoy unsweetened fruit juices, as they also fall in this group. We should stop consuming drinks which are very high in sugar, and they provide very little nutrition. Enjoy such drinks rarely, like maximum 1 to 2 cups in a month. If possible, try to avoid them altogether. Examples are pop drinks, slushy drinks, fruit punches, and energy drinks.
If you like this educational interactive video, check out our complete range of educational digital course books. Visit our website, sfpublishers.net, to discover more.